Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Most important question of the subject name is biology and the chapter name is principle and process. So let's start the video. And here the question number first is for transformation microparticles coated with DNA to be bombarded with gene gun are made up of, and here the option A silver or platinum, option B platinum of zinc, option C gold or tungsten, and option D silicon or platinum. And the correct answer is option C gold and tungsten. Now move on question number second. Restriction enzyme E. coli always cleaves the nitrogen sequence in DNA. And here the options: option A AAGCTT, option B GGATCC, option C GAATTC, and option D TGGCCA. And the correct answer is option C GAATTC. Now move on question number third. Ballistic gene gun is suitable for, and here the options: option A DNA fingerprinting, option B disarming pathogen vectors, option C transformation of plant cells, option D constructing recombinant DNA molecules. And the correct answer is option C transformation of plant cells. Now move on question number 4. PCR method is useful for, and here the options: option A amplification of gene for forming billions of copies of itself, and option B monoclonal antibody production, and option C hybridoma production, and option D all of the above. And the correct answer is option A amplification of gene for forming billions of copies of itself. Now move on question number 5. During the purification process for recombinant DNA technology, adding of chilled ethanol precipitates out, and here the options: option A RNA, option B DNA, option C stones, and option D polysaccharides. And the correct answer is option B DNA. Now move on question number 6. Which of the following is not a cloning vector? And here the options: option A BAC, option B YAC, option C PBR322, and option D probe. And the correct answer is option D probe. Now move on question number 7. DNA strand on a gel stained with ethidium bromide when views under UV radiation appears as, and here the options: option A bright blue bands, option B yellow bands, option C bright orange bands, and option D dark red band. And the correct answer is option C bright orange bands. Now move on question number 8. An enzyme catalyzing the removal of nucleotides from end of DNA is, and here the options: option A protease, option B DNA ligase, and option C endonuclease, and option D exonuclease. And the correct answer is option D exonuclease. Now move on. Which of the following is commonly used as a vector for inducing a DNA fragment in human lymphocytes? And here the options: option A retrovirus, option B TI plasmid, option C PBR322, and option D phase. And the correct answer is option A retrovirus. Now move on question number 10. Which of the following restriction enzyme produce blunt end? And here the options: option A XHO first, option B Hin third, option C Sal first, and option D EcoRV. And the correct answer is option D EcoRV. Now move on question number 11. The process of separation and purification of expressed protein before marketing is called. And here the options: option A downstream processing, option B bioprocessing, option C post production processing, and option D upstream processing. And the correct answer is option A downstream processing. So guys, this is the video. लाइक से सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर दिस टाइप ऑफ कंटेंट। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू, जय हिंद।